part 2 of the video of how to fix any Yamaha keyboard troubleshooting. So today I'm using the Yamaha Psr S750. Now if you want to perform the factory reset, like I told you guys in the former video, if any keyboard is troubleshooting with software issues, all you have to do is perform factory reset. So on this Yamaha Psr S750, what you do is you click on the function button right here, and this display will pop up. Then all you have to do is go to your utility. You will click here and you will see the utility. First of all, while you first click it, this is what will pop up, but you will use your tab button. This tab button, you will click it, the right tab, 1 2 3 4. Then you will see this menu up here, which is factory reset. So if you want to reset your keyboard, you are going to tick all these parameters. You are going to make sure they are marked up. Then after doing that, you can now perform the factory reset. But I don't want to execute the factory reset because I already have MIDI files set up on this keyboard. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If any of your Yamaha keyboard is giving you software issues, all you have to do is perform factory reset method, and the keyboard will go back to normal as it was while you first bought it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe.